Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Vienna. Wien, the capital of Austria, is a city renowned for its rich history, cultural vibrancy, and architectural splendor. Situated along the Danube River, it is Austria's largest city and serves as its political, economic, and cultural hub. Vienna has a history dating back to Roman times when it was known as Vindobona. During the Habsburg Empire, Vienna became the imperial capital and a center of European power, especially in the 18th and 19th centuries. It played a significant role during the Austro-Hungarian Empire and has since been a hub for diplomacy, hosting institutions like the United Nations and OPEC. Culture and art. Known as the City of Music, Vienna was home to legendary composers such as Mozart, Beethoven, Schubert, and the Strauss family. It is also called the City of Dreams because it was the workplace of Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis. Vienna's State Opera House, Wiener Staatsoper, is among the most prestigious in the world. The city is known for its Viennese coffeehouse culture, a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. Vienna landmarks and attractions are Hofburg Palace, former imperial palace of the Habsburg dynasty, Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Austria's most visited attractions. St. Stephen's Cathedral, Stephansdom, a stunning Gothic cathedral in the heart of the city. Belvedere Palace, known for its art collections, including Gustav Klimt's famous painting, The Kiss. Prater Park, home to the iconic giant Ferris wheel, Riesenrad. Vienna consistently ranks as one of the world's most livable cities due to its high-quality infrastructure, safety, and green spaces. It has a mix of historic charm and modernity, with a thriving economy and a vibrant arts and startup scene. Viennese cuisine is iconic, featuring dishes like Wiener Schnitzel, Zahortorte, chocolate cake, and Apfelstrudel, apple strudel. The coffee culture is celebrated with a variety of coffee drinks served in traditional coffee houses. Vienna is a hub for education and research, with prestigious institutions like the University of Vienna, one of the oldest in Europe. The city is well connected through an efficient public transport system of trams, buses, and underground trains. Vienna International Airport links the city to global destinations. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.